All right, it's Jax, and I am doing a pack with me video, pack with Beis. All right, this is not sponsored. I was not gifted this. I don't even have a discount code for y'all. I'm not trying to make a commission. I am just trying to share an awesome product by an awesome company that I love. As a traveling nomadic family, I love finding brands that I'm like, okay, I'll buy anything from you guys because you have like awesome products that last and are well made and good, ethical standards, all of the above. I have pretty much every product that Beis makes, travel bags, accessories, you name it, I have it and I love it. I love them all. Today I'm going to show you how I pack this brand new backpack that I got. I have a lot of luggage from them, but I'm noticing that a lot of the airlines are starting to charge for carry-on bags, but not a personal item. So we're all going to Puerto Rico for 10 days. I grabbed this backpack, which I did not own this yet. I just bought this recently for Kane's travel bag. And I love it and it fits so much. And I'm going to show you how we pack like minimally when we travel as a family. We don't check bags. We always carry our stuff on. And this backpack holds so much. It has a million features. I'm not going to go through all of them, but it has this huge compartment in the front with little pockets. It does a full zip all the way to the end with these like compression straps that you would normally get in a regular suitcase. Also has these like little features of breathable netted pockets and dry pocket. I mean, it's got the laptop sleeve for the padded tech. It's got a trolley pass-through. It's got padded straps, vegan leather handles, water bottle. I mean, it's got the key fob, can literally function so many ways. Let's do a quick pack for Kane. I also have a lot of their travel accessories. I love their packing cubes because they're like sturdy. They have nice, thick zippers, and it's just like really, really well constructed. All right, I'm packing Kane's 6 overalls. I'm obsessed with Zara's overalls for boys, and I'm gonna be very sad the day that he tells me he doesn't wanna wear overalls anymore. All right, 6 overalls, 2 pairs of shorts, a tank top and a t-shirt. So 2 shirts, 2 swim trunks, and 6, as my husband from Pennsylvania calls them, gutchies. All right, that's literally enough outfits for 8 days. We're staying for 10. Obviously, we're gonna be in Airbnbs that have washer dryer, so we'll be doing laundry. But if your son doesn't wear overalls or he's too big for overalls, then just pack things that you can, like neutrals that you can make outfits out of. But I'm also waiting for a beach poncho, which I have plenty of room when that comes in to add that in. No PJs, because I don't know whose son wears PJs. My son is like naked most of the time. All right, boom, done. It fits in that little travel cube fits in that so well. Got the little compression strap in there. And then a lot of the Airbnbs that we're staying at they say like they don't supply beach towels, which is so weird to me. But I got these Turkish quick dry, really thin, flat pack travel beach towels. I'm gonna add to his backpack. That will also double as like an airplane blanket. So boom, win-win. And then in this, down here, you could have him wear his heaviest shoes at the airport, like his tennis shoes or like big chunky, walking sandals. I'm gonna put his water shoes down here. And then anything up at the top is gonna be like easy access. So if he wants something from the bag in the airplane, he doesn't have to unzip and have everything fall out. Beis also has these like cute mesh. These actually come as a trio, like large, medium, small. So I put his Pop-It, some cars, like little figurines, just easy access toys we're gonna keep in the top pouch. Window clings, which are awesome. Highly recommend for the airplane because you can just throw them away. Dollar aisle at Target. So put those up at the top, boom. And then we got brush, his little hair ties, Q-tips, some chapstick. We'll throw that in there. Oh yeah, I love these. These are like little beach bags for kids. They flat pack, they're mesh. You can put their sunnies. You can put a couple snacks for him. And then like, you know, when they want to collect shells, you're like, carry your own damn stuff. Boom, done. Okay. Oh yeah, I can't forget Penguin. If you've been following us for a while, you know my son is obsessed with Penguin. So boom, everything gets packed in there, and honestly, this thing is not even close to being full. We pack way more, but we don't like to pack a bunch of stuff. All right, so iPad goes in the text sleeve. We'll probably also put like a activity book and maybe some site flashcards, but these are Brain Quest cards for learning on the go. Pack that in the laptop sleeve is like a second compartment away from where the clothes and stuff are. And then his little lunchbox, this is like, I'll pack, I mean like fruit and crackers and dry stuff for him that I don't have to buy snacks at the airport. That actually fits really well in this front pocket at the bottom. And then I'll probably put like little more dry snacks, because I don't know about you guys, but my son snacks, like he finishes lunch and then like 2 seconds later he's hungry. So all his snacks in there, all his like dry, quick reach stuff. I'll probably also throw in like a travel wipe, you know, like wet ones. And then, I mean, Uno, because Uno. That's it. Packed, done. Honestly, it's still light where he could carry it himself, but these are adjustable. Got your little backpack. You could put it on your luggage. This is the best bag. I love Beis, so I wanted to share it.